Hey, good morning, friends. Good afternoon to everyone. तो आज रिकॉर्ड कर रही है तब आज का डेट है 10 अक्टूबर 2022 और मैं I just want to install some intellj. So let's see what intellj new version is available, how to download and all those things. ठीक है, so you can just search intellj, then you will see download. Okay, so there is a two types, ultimate and community. अल्टीमेट मतलब क्या, ये पेड वर्जन है और कम्युनिटी मतलब ये फ्री वर्जन है. सो दैट्स फ्यू डिफरेंस. जैसे कि आपको ये प्रोफाइलिंग टूल नहीं मिलेगा, स्प्रिंग का जो सपोर्ट है वो नहीं मिलेगा, बट यू कैन डू दैट विदाउट दैट आल्सो. मतलब ये नहीं कि आप अल्टीमेट वाला ही खरीदो. हाँ, इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग सम लाइसेंस फ्रॉम योर कंपनी देन यू कैन गो. डेटाबेस के लिए सपोर्ट है, रिमोट डेवलपमेंट के लिए सपोर्ट है, ठीक है. तो ऑल दिस फीचर्स अवेलेबल है, बट you can do this directly in community edition also. For that you have to install some plugins, that's it, nothing else. Okay, so I'm going to install this community version. Download, it will start. It's almost 599 MB. Okay, so let's read, and meanwhile we can see what are the things they have. Developer tools, they have different plugins you can download. So we'll come across, we need some few plugins, so we'll install them, and with that we will try to I will try to explain you how you can utilize these things for your development. Also you can download zip version also. Most of the companies will not allow you to install, right? So in that case you need this zip version, so you can simply click on this arrow and go to download zip. Similarly for ultimate also you can do that, but like it's only 30 days trial, so I will not recommend it. Anyhow, that much difference is not there, but yeah, it's good if you are getting from your organization this copy. If you are using Linux, you can go here. If you are using Mac, so I will add this link also in the description. Okay, and with that you can easily click and download. So it's 289, 294, so almost 60 to 70%. Yeah, I have decent speed, so speed almost 200 mbps. 8 sometimes it's doing less, but actually I have the good. So maybe today some food, that's why it's not doing properly, but no worries. Anyhow, I'm not going to download daily, right? That's okay. Yeah, we are about to finish. It's I think 400 MB download हो चुका है. I'm going to like show interesting features and all those things in next videos, so you can increase your productivity with these skills or shortcut or features of intellj. So definitely that will help you too. So yeah, you can join this learning and teaching program. It's almost completed. Yes, completed. So my work. Click. Then click on the run. It will show this pop-up. If you have the access to this, it will allow. Otherwise you need to take the permission from the organization or the your admin team. Click on S, click next, click, select which I just want to install in the C, so I'm not going to change, but if you want to change, you can change the path by clicking on this browse button. Next, so mostly create what add a folder. So I click and now installation start. You can see the details, what are the things getting installed. Interesting, right? It will, you can see, okay, annotation, a compiler. So all these you can, with this you can develop the Android application. What's new, we'll just see. Key updates, remote development improvement. Okay, they done this. Then the switch from JRB 11 to JRB 7. Okay, support Spring 6 and Spring Boot 3 features also. Now they added this. Include new auto configuration classes, configuration properties. All these features, cloning repository, progress bar, new description field. It's good if you use these features, right? Faster access to code. Then new notification panel for tuning file type association. Improve the inspection and code compilation. Okay, to string, all those things they done. Kotlin, what's they done? Scala, Groovy also they done some changes. Security, imported a trusted SSL certificate. intellj tutorial can help you to import the trusted SSL certificate. So some of organization need this always trusted certificate. So that's the one good thing for enterprise. It automatically use the custom certificate to specify your enterprise environment. No extra install required you as the environment should, as everything should work right out of the box. Profiler, a lot of framework, a lot of changes they done. Kubernetes, QA tools they added, improve the web pages and structure, and all these things. Okay. Good changes they done. Web development purpose, support for Angular standalone components, improve the support for Vue 3, TypeScript 4.7 support. Good, good. Hmm. It's paid. See, I told, right? It's paid version. It's free version. Groovy, Catalan, Python. PHP will not support. You need to take the paid version. Android it will support. Spring it will, if it is not added, it's not support like that. It support Java, right? So Java Spring is built on the top of the Java, so you can easily use. But whatever the extra features like easily suggestion and all those things, it will not do that. But it's, if it is a use the community edition also, it's not bad. Okay, we are done, we can run, finish. Don't send, don't want to. Okay, this is the way. It started detecting JDK. It detected it able to detect the JDK. Then you just need to give the simple project name. I will say test. you want to provide some, it's inbuilt using OpenJDK. You can change JDK also, like provide another JDK. So you select I believe I am okay. We'll see this how to change. For now we'll use, that's it. We'll see in coming videos how to write basic program.